So is Wealthy Affiliate a scam? Well, the way that I think about it, what exactly is a scam? Usually it's when a company is like straight up lying to you, or they're lying to you about their products or services, or they're misrepresenting the results that you can get if you use their products or services. Or maybe they trap you into their product and make it really hard to quit being a customer. So basically just all around dishonesty. Well, Wealthy Affiliate is not like that at all. It's definitely not a scam. If you look at their Trustpilot right here, they have a 4.8 rating with 588 reviews at the time that I'm recording this video, and it is a verified company, mostly all 5-star reviews, including recent reviews as early as 6 days ago. Now, Wealthy Affiliate's actually been around since 2005, which makes it easily one of the oldest affiliate marketing training platforms in the world, and they have over 2.6 million members as of the time I'm recording this video. So I think it's really hard for a company to just be a scam and do so well with their reviews and have been around for so long with so many people that are still signing up and trying it out. So they're honest about the results. They tell you that it takes effort, and they'll teach you all the skills you need to start and scale your niche blog and make money with affiliate marketing. They don't trap you into any sort of like confusing pricing plans. They have very clear pricing plans. You can actually get started completely for free without even having to enter your credit card information. So a lot of companies will try to trick you. So, they'll take your credit card information and they'll sign you up for a recurring monthly subscription. And then even if you forget about it, they're not going to remind you. And then before you know it, it's been like 10 months and you've been paying every single month automatically without even using it. Wealthy Affiliate is not like that. So they're most definitely not a scam. So if you want to try out Wealthy Affiliate completely for free, you can do that using the link in the description. Now, you might be wondering, is Wealthy Affiliate an MLM or something? Because, a lot of people are just talking about Wealthy Affiliate, maybe they're promoting it, and that makes you a little bit suspicious. Well, I'm going to answer that question in this video showing up on your screen. So just click it and watch all the way to the end.